this actually happened? Were you expecting a 4-point shot to be taken during that stretch?
Yeah, those are possession games, right? You're up by 5, you hit a 3, if you foul, and we make 2, they still have, even if you make 2, it's still an opportunity, right? So, it's a makeable shot, it really depends, right? With us as a game plan, do you foul? And do you put them on the free throw instead of getting 4 points? That's something that as a staff we decide on, right? But we fired it up, and I think the PBAs, when you're moving forward, you have to be able to defend that perimeter better, right? So it's hard. If I'm a guy who can shoot there, like AD was near the 3-point, 4-point line, when guys are closing out, it's a whole lane going downhill. So I think versatility is key. I think playing in Japan has also opened up your 3-point shot. Like AD for us was always inside, diba? Now he's operating. I think the weapon that he brings in is you're comfortable playing outside. Remember, Japan, they're 4 imports, so he plays it differently.
Once you shot 40% from the 4-point range, is this a weapon moving forward? The way you shot it tonight, is this going to be like a regular with one of yours?
Conventional, sasabihin mo, you always want to go back to the 3, but it is. If you look at analytics, right? Like if you're able to make it at a good percentage, you have to take those shots, right? So it makes it exciting in terms of, guys can come back. It makes the game faster. And to us, we don't know really the final solution or answers here, but it will explore us as the games get by, right? But you notice some of our players planted some 4 points. We have confidence in them. They can make it. If it's an open shot, we'll allow them to take it.